get a little video of Sulmona in the rain. I'm no Dave Benton, but it still is stunning. There's the little walk from our apartment to our other apartment. Our apartment.
Our apartment.
They have boxes.
It's really raining that way.
Our local neighborhood rug guy. And then the entrance to our apartment is right here. Going in. We've got the keys. Door needs to be redone, but we're gonna have that taken care of. Just with a knocker. Floor is cool here. Stairs. What? Yeah. It's very simple. Simple railing. It's like a simple go up 2 sets of stairs. Don't mind my huffing and puffing. And there's the door. That's the door.
Oh, no, that was the room is downstairs.
I think there's one in here.
Look at that beautiful door.
That one's pretty.
Let's focus on
This
that.
is the one that works.
Here we are.
And we come
A little bit
in.
of a funk, I'm not gonna lie.
A little funk in here, but yeah. Everything is really cool. So I really like the floor plan. And
Maybe we open the windows.
yeah,
Let's open the windows.
it was like no floor, no walls, some electricity, a lot of shit. A lot of stuff on the ground that's pigeon poop.
Oh,
We're gonna do a little bit of cleanup here today, just to make it where it's not
so disgusting.
totally disgusting. You gotta push on the blue part,
Oh,
and I think it may be stuck, so.
I got it. Let's focus on
Okay,
Although we're still cleaning up.
so they're doing some construction next door, so they've got this scaffolding up, but there's the view on a nice rainy day. You can see the mountains over there, still pretty dang cool. Church. It's a little bed and breakfast right here. They do some, I think they do an outdoor thing. There's our central carne, which is, I think, a butcher. Yeah, the market was today, so there's a bit of trash in the market. Down at the end, there is the porchetta truck. I got the porchetta sandwich. It's good, but it's a little dry, so I think I'm gonna need some au jus. So this will be the kitchen here on this side. And then we plan to have like a little eat-in island. And there's Wendy with the broom and dustpan. We've got, it's in my pocket. Got the little outlook thing there. It's got some stuff in it. Not anything we want, but yeah. So down the hall, we're thinking maybe a door here. No, they're both in there.
You bring them up.
You're the one that put everything in there. So yeah, there's our little flickering. And that's where you put the washing machine and dryer, we're thinking. And then that's the bathroom. So we're thinking shower on the end, and then a bidet and a sink. Or not a bidet, a toilet. A toilet with a little hose for the bidet part. You can see this is also really in good shape. I think we're just gonna leave it just like that. So into the first room. The first room is actually like a really good size. We were like pretty surprised. So you can imagine, that looks like a full bed. So you can imagine a queen bed in there. Actually has a light in there. And kind of cool open light that gives light to the hallway. The view out and down the street is really cool. Nice little hall tree here. I think it's kind of nice. Maybe it needs a little shelf or something at the bottom, a little seat. Hallway's plenty wide. So this will be the door to the master bedroom. And you can see, again, the floor is half torn up in this room, but again, like, this is a good sized room. We're really happy with the size of everything. We were a little afraid that things were gonna be smaller than what we thought in Dave's video. The ceilings are nice and high. It's really we're really happy with the size of these rooms. So this is gonna be, we're not sure if it's gonna be a bathroom. Like, I'm not sure that they're gonna be able to get plumbing into this area. If you look at the floor, there are those little dark marks are steel beams. So to be able to like jackhammer a channel in this, I don't know if they're gonna be able to do that. So there is some piping up here. Not quite sure what that's for. So that's interesting. If worst case is this turns into a super walk-in master closet. There's the view back down the hall. I'm probably like moving too fast, so I'm gonna get dizzy. Let's go check out the view out the master bedroom. Such a cute little street. Looks like Disneylandish. Cute. And there's the bread and breakfast right over there. Down the street. There's a nice little church up that way. There's a nice little wine shop down below down here. This would be our next door neighbor's balcony. And then again, our little Piazza Minzoni is the piazza that our apartment is on, and is actually our address too. Piazza Minzoni number 3. Okay, that's the tour. Again, back at the master, looking this way. I'm leaning against the rail, probably shouldn't be doing that, but okay.